How to set up Windows 11 without internet. Okay, here you can see I have been installing Windows 11 on my computer. But when I reach at this point you can see I can't pass this step. Now in this video let me show to you how you can bypass this step. Okay. At first all what you have to do is, on your keyboard press Shift plus F10. This will open up CMD or command prompt. Now type in OOBE bypass NRO. Press enter on your keyboard. Now your computer will restart. Select your country and click on Yes. Again, select your keyboard layout and click on Yes. Now here you can see I don't have internet option has appeared. So that's it. Click on it to continue with your installation. So, now that's how you can set up Windows 11 without internet. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell. Have a nice time.